Habits of fit and healthy men. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Fit and healthy men often share common habits that contribute to their well-being and physical condition. Here are some habits that many fit and healthy men tend to follow. Regular exercise. Engaging in consistent physical activity is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises for a well-rounded fitness routine. Balanced diet. Consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, is crucial for maintaining optimal health and supporting fitness goals. Adequate hydration. Drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for proper bodily functions, energy levels, and overall health. Hydration is particularly important for men who are active and sweat during workouts. Adequate sleep. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep plays a critical role in muscle recovery, hormone regulation, and overall well-being. Mindful eating. Paying attention to hunger cues and eating mindfully can help prevent overeating and support healthy weight management. Stress management. Implement stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or engaging in hobbies to manage stress effectively. Consistent routine. Establishing a daily routine that includes regular mealtimes, exercise sessions, and sleep schedules can help maintain a healthy lifestyle. Portion control. Being mindful of portion sizes can prevent overeating and help manage calorie intake. Limit processed foods and sugars. Minimize consumption of highly processed foods and sugary snacks, as they can contribute to weight gain and health issues. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular medical checkups to monitor your overall health and address any potential issues early. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Consume alcohol in moderation, and ideally, avoid smoking and tobacco products altogether. Social support. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage your healthy habits and provide a positive environment. Goal setting. Set achievable fitness and health goals to stay motivated and track your progress. Variety in workouts. Keep your fitness routine interesting by trying different types of exercises and activities to prevent boredom and plateaus. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up before exercising and cool down afterward to prevent injuries and support muscle recovery. Stay active throughout the day. Incorporate movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking during breaks, or standing at your desk. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude toward fitness and health, focusing on the benefits and enjoying the journey. Remember that everyone's body is different, so it's important to find what works best for you and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your lifestyle or fitness routine. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.